What's up, guys? Welcome back. Amazing RC. It's your boy Brian here, and well, I figured we'd take a little walk with the Komodo today, because it's been a few days, and I figure you guys are owed a minor explanation as to why it's been a few days since we've gotten a video out. Well, we had some crazy circumstances come our way that cost a little bit of extra money that, well, we didn't have. So, thanks to RC Dale, I got a few hours up at his place fixing RVs. So, special shout out to Dale for hooking a brother up. And I don't know how long I'll be up there. Hopefully as long as he can take me up there, because we're short on cash, a little more than we were hoping. But I think Dale's going to save the day on that one. So I had this truck all charged up, ready to rock and roll, and it just never came to that I was able to put a run in. So I've had this 3S battery charged up, and that's not necessarily good to be charged up and just kind of sitting. So figured I'd get it out today. We'll give it a run. Now the whole point behind this run here, obviously you can see we're doing some POV work here, but I'd really like to see, I've got this narrow wheelbase in here because I had, of course, Komodo kit comes with two different wheelbase options, and it's via these really cool hex hubs. And I've always had, obviously, the wider wheelbase. I mean, why wouldn't you? So I've had that hooked up the whole time. And when I did the weighted wheels upgrade, which we just got done doing, I only had like 3 threads to put these wheels on. And when they didn't weigh anything before, it wasn't really a big problem. Well, when they weigh a bunch, the wheel basically just fell off. So now I've got, we're going to see how far we can get this up this driveway here. Now I've got the weighted wheels on there. I've got the narrow wheelbase. And I basically wanted to see if we could get a complete POV run here without falling over somewhere where I got to go get it. Ah, here I am. So we're just going to sling this thing around, and hopefully we're not going to roll it over. Because, well, that wouldn't be very fun. So we'll take it this way here. You know what? Let's go. We haven't been down by Dale's in a long time. Let's go by Dale's here. We'll take it down this way. And see if we can't get it up here. Now with the narrow wheelbase, I would imagine that this thing's going to be easy to tip. So hopefully we can get through the same step that we used to get through without rolling this thing over. I'm not really worried about rolling over when the truck's, 2 feet away from me, but when I sling this thing up Dale's property here in a minute, I would imagine that I really don't want it to roll over. I wonder if I can barge right through this stuff. Let's find out. Let's just barge right through. Bam, here we go. Coming through hot, sure did. That's probably pretty cool on POV. I'm stuck in a bunch of leaves. Let's see if I can't get out of this. Nice and slow. Well, we got all kinds of crap in here now. Come here, you. Alright. That's a stick. Now that we got the leaves out of it, let's run it up Dale's here and see if we, with the leaves, I can't imagine that this is going to be super simple here. Let's see. That feels good and straight. I'm sure that the leaves here are going to give me some significant traction issues. But let's find out. Usually, this isn't too difficult. Yeah, believe it or not, I've actually got the same 35-turn dynamite motor that I had on. I bought that when I smoked my first stock TRX4 motor. That was 2.5 years ago. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. Here we go. Now remember, this is not where I want to roll it over. Uh-oh, get up there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's doing it. Feeling it. Alright, cool. Alright, let's do a descend here. Let's do some. There we go. Let's go right down here. Very nice. Very nice. Not bad. Right through the leaves. Very cool. Alright, let's you know what? Let's go all the way down his property through the side here. Let's see if we can get some side crawl action going on. We're gonna go up here. There we go. There we go. We're gonna try to go down the side here. Now normally with the wider wheelbase, this is not that big of a problem. But with the narrow wheelbase, this actually might be an issue. That's a stick right there, isn't it? Oh good, we got over it. Alright. Yeah, this is where it's gonna get kinda hairy. Right in through here. Truck's leaning real good. Alright, now we're gonna have to try to make our left up here. Oop, just found a stick. She might make it. She might make it. Let's go, Komodo. Get up there. There we go. Very nice. Now, you should be parallel to Dale's property here. I actually can't see the truck. There we are. Very nice. Kamikaze. Yeah, full send. I love it. Alright, well, I'm pretty... That's almost vertical right there. I got on 2 wheels, I ain't gonna lie. That was pretty spooky. Well, let's take her back up here through this part of Dale's spot. Now this, we're just gonna get a bunch of debris in here. Try to miss all the stumps. Here's one right here, and oh, there we go. I got lucky and rolled over full though, so that could have been much worse. Alright, let's see what else we got. This is a good spot here too. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this gap right here. Now see again, super lean in here. Cruise in and up. I tell you, you can control it. You can definitely tell that the narrower wheelbase is there, but you know it's there. So I'm almost able to control it a little bit. Let's see how steep we can get this to go here. I'll tell you, with those weighted wheels, this is just bananas, because before I wasn't hitting that. Alright guys, well, I'm impressed. I always have a lot of fun bringing this truck out here. But the main reason was just to let you guys know that I like putting out quality when it comes to videos, so I'm not just going to rush a bunch of teeny tiny, 2 and 3 minute videos at you, filled with, just not much substance to say I got a video out. I love doing these videos, love running these RC cars, so I'm going to do it as long as I possibly can, guys. Until the very next one, it's Brian, this Amazing RC.